High above the sleeping town, where ancient shadows settle down, a silent form of chiseled stone upon its lonely, high-built throne. Stone wings unfurled against the gray, a silent watcher come what may. A timeless sentinel stands so tall to witness rising, witness fall. The centuries unfold so slow as winds of changing eras blow. It holds the wisdom of the past, a silent promise built to last. Through endless ages it does keep a vigil over secrets deep. With eyes unblinking, cold and vast, its watchful spirit ever cast a mystic power, awe-inspired, its ancient purpose never tired. Guardian of the fading light through eons, watching day.